Welcome back to gilgeekify programming. Today, we are exploring Seedance 2.5 on XMK, a powerful platform for AI creative media tools. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the entire workflow for generating continuous, high-quality AI videos, step by step. All useful links and resources mentioned in this video are available in the description below. Before we jump into the dashboard, let us briefly look at this breakdown of Seedance 2.5 on XMK AI. What makes this tool stand out is its native 30-second continuous generation. Unlike traditional models that force you to stitch together short 5-second clips, Seedance 2.5 renders a full 30-second sequence in a single pass with unbroken action and physical consistency. Plus, XMK supports up to 50 combined reference inputs, including images, video, and audio, along with native lip sync and character locking. Now, let us watch a few video samples that I generated using the Seedance 2.5 model. Here is the first sample video. As you will hear, it actually mispronounced my channel name. It should have said gilgeekify. But I decided to leave it unedited so you can see the raw, authentic initial output.
Hey, I am Saeed from gilgeekify Programming. Let's put Seedance 2.5 to the test.
Here is the second sample video. And finally, here is the third sample video. All right, let us move on to generating a full video using the XMK AI panel and completely understand its workflow. Right here, I have a reference image of myself that I will be using for this process. First, we head over to the XMK website, log into our account, and open the Seedance 2.5 page. Our entire workflow is handled right here in this clean interface you see on screen. We can upload our assets as references, write our prompt, configure the settings, and generate our target video with ease. I generated all the prompts you see here using Claude. If you are wondering how, it is remarkably simple and fast. I briefly explained my ultimate goal to Claude, and it brainstormed and generated the exact prompts tailored for the Seedance 2.5 model. If you share your reference assets with Claude as well, it can assist you even better. What we are looking at now is essentially a before and after comparison of my prompts. The raw request I gave Claude versus the final optimized prompt it created specifically for Seedance 2.5. Very well. Now I plan to generate a video using this prompt. Let us test it out and see what output it gives us. I will select my reference image for upload. Keep in mind that you can reference your uploaded assets using the @ symbol in your prompt. I will do that right now, making sure the asset is referenced only once in the prompt text. The aspect ratio is set to 16:9 by default, which is exactly what I want. I will set the resolution to 720p. And I will set the video duration to 30 seconds. This 30-second duration represents the true raw power of the Seedance 2.5 model, and I think it is absolutely incredible. Now that all settings are configured, I will click the Generate button. As you can see, the video generation process has started. All right, the video is fully generated and ready. Let us download it and take a look. That is right. This is the second sample video you saw at the beginning. In my opinion, the Seedance 2.5 model is truly amazing and mind-blowing. Inside the XMK panel, to access and manage all the videos you have created, you can navigate to your profile page and click on Creations, or jump directly there from the main navigation menu. Here are the full details of the video we just generated. You have complete access to every single detail and prompt parameter of your generated assets right on this page. That wraps up our complete guide to Seedance 2.5 on XMK AI. If you want to test out these AI creative media tools yourself, you can access the platform using the link pinned in the first comment and description. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe to Gilgeekify Programming for more AI workflows and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.